Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Audison, and today's video is all about a Defender 90 and the security package that we've upgraded with. If you are new to our channel, haven't seen this before, hit that subscribe button below. And remember, guys, we've got the massive 10K subscriber giveaway competition live directly on our channel as well. We're giving away a brand new PlayStation 5 disc edition, a controller, as well as an Audison Prima 8.9 amplifier, so you guys at home can upgrade the sound in your vehicle. But otherwise, let's get on with today's video. As you guys know, and the reason why you guys are more than likely watching one of this video is because of you own a Defender, you're looking to secure the asset. Obviously, these vehicles are now becoming more and more popular, and obviously, as that popularity grows, the vehicle theft of these vehicles also rises, and it's very, very important that you secure your Defender. Whether it's a 90 or Defender 110, both systems work on the car. We've got two systems installed on today's video. We're talking through a tracking system as well as an alarm upgrade that we've also upgraded the vehicle to. This vehicle is around about sort of the 2008 mark, so it's got the remote central locking key from Land Rover directly, little black fob with a lock and unlock button on it. This whole alarm system works directly from that fob. You've got a new siren mounted in the vehicle. You've also got protection inside the vehicle as well as on your door locking system as well. It makes a world of difference having a system like this, and also it's that peace of mind at night that you know, or during the day, that your vehicle is secured. You've got a full system that is Thatcham approved, installed to very, very high standards by ourselves here in Cambridge. We have customers drop vehicles off from all over the country, all over the world to us to have vehicles being carried out for installs, and this is no exception. A really, really nice solution that we've upgraded the car with. So the alarm system is what's called a Thatcham 2-to-1 alarm system. We've got 3 packages that we do for alarm upgrades on this particular vehicle. So make sure you drop us a message on any of our social media platforms. More than happy to run you through a little bit more about that with you over email or via phone call, or come by and see us and we'll run through everything in a bit more detail. We obviously can't show you anything to do with much of the install on these videos because they are security products, and we obviously maintain that respect for the product and also our customers in all of these videos as well. The other thing that we've added onto the vehicle is a tracking system. The tracking system is what's called an S5 VTS tracker. In essence, you've got loads of functionality packed live directly into the tracker. You've got an application called My Connected Car. You can actually go on the App Store, Google Play Store right now, guys, download that app, and you actually try a demo version. That actually goes through everything in a load more detail, the functionality that you guys will be getting from the actual app itself. It downloads that with a vehicle live directly on there. You can set geofencing, you can test every single feature you would be getting from the system. A really nice app, easy to use, and the same system I use on my car currently. Every single one of our systems are actually tried and tested on our own vehicles before we'd ever recommend them to you, so you know that we can put our heart and our soul behind every single install and every single product that we install. Overall, a really, really nice way of securing the asset. Plus, you've obviously got 2 little tags. The tags go onto your keys or away in your personal wallet. What you can do with them is if the vehicle is moved, started, or whatever it might be without those tags present, you'll actually get a phone call notification or a notification on your phone to alert you. Plus, it's also got GPS jamming notifications live directly on there as well. Very, very popular bit of kit that we add on, and especially onto these Defenders. There's a couple of other security upgrades we can do to the car, so make sure you get in touch, and we obviously do the full soundproofing on these Defenders, full audio systems like the sound system that we've done a full behind the sound series on a Defender 110, I think it was, that we did a massive, massive system on. Plus, obviously, we've got the head unit conversion videos live directly on there, so there's a whole Defender section live directly on our YouTube channel. Make sure you go check that out. There's plenty of videos to keep you entertained for hours. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe because we've got that massive 10K subscriber giveaway live directly on our YouTube channel. But thank you very much for watching. We'll see you soon.